Good afternoon, dear students. How are you? All are fine. Okay. One important thing is, please immediately complete your maths note. If anyone didn't complete your maths notebook, then urgently complete the notes and send it to me. So today class is we are going to start. Have you done your homework in previous class? Any doubt from that section? Any doubt from that section? Okay, good. Okay, can we start today's lesson? In previous class, what we discussed? We discussed the practical geometry. We discussed the practical geometry. Is it? Yes. The practical geometry means the drawings. Already in previous class we discussed the drawing procedure of triangle. Drawing procedure of triangle. Is it? Yes. And also we discussed the drawing procedure of rectangle. Is it? Yes. In this chapter we discussed constructing a quadrilateral with 5 methods. Constructing quadrilaterals with 5 methods. That is, first one is we have 4 side length and 1 diagonal length also. Second one is 3 side length and 2 diagonals. One more I repeat. First we discussing or studying. We are going to study what if we have 4 side length and 1 diagonal, then we can construct a quadrilateral. Second case is we can construct a quadrilateral with 3 side length and 2 diagonal length. And third one is when 2 adjacent sides and the 3 angles are given. 2 adjacent sides length and 3 angles are given. Fourth one is 2 sides and 3 when 3 sides and 2 angles are given. That is 3 sides and 2 angles are given. And next one is when other quadrilateral. That is the construction of squares. Can we start? Are you ready? Okay. That is, for example, first we construct the quadrilateral with the help of 4 sides and 1 diagonal. Here is some length. We can write that is PQRS. PQRS is a quadrilateral. PQ equal to 4 centimeter. QR equal to 5 centimeter. Is it? QR is equal to 6 centimeter. Sorry, 6 centimeter. R is equal to 5 centimeter. PS equal to 5.5 centimeter. PR equal to 7 centimeter. That is, we have 5 measurements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it? Yes. Can we start? For drawing, you must use scale, protractor, compass and pencil. You didn't draw with the help of pen. You must draw with the pencils. And give names and measurement corresponding sides. For drawing, are you ready? For drawing, first we start a rough figure. Start with a rough figure, that is, this is is a quadrilateral. We name PQRS and we denote the measurement corresponding sides. That is PQ is 4 cm, QR is 6 cm, RS is 5 cm, and PS is 5.5 cm, and PR is 7 cm. 7 cm. This is our rough figure for planning or plans. That is, we know that when we draw a diagonal in a quadrilateral, that is split into two triangles, and is divided into two triangles. Is it? Yes. Is it? Yes. That is, here what is we do? What is we do? That is, we draw two triangles in a paper, in our notebook. That is, first we draw the diagonal. Is it? Yes. Here I take a sliding or slope line. Is it? Yes. That is, this is 7 cm. Name the points P, PR. And next is what we want to make the arc. So we use the compass. In compass we take 5.5 cm and make an arc with the center P. And next I take 5 cm on compass and make an arc with the center R. Then the arcs are intersecting. That point is denoted as S. Denoted as S. And next I join the points P, S. And denote the measurement. That is 5.5. 5.5. And next we join S and R. S and R. That is 5 cm. That is 5 cm. Next we take the compass and take 4 cm on compass and we draw a arc with the center P. Next I take 6 cm on compass with the help of scale and draw an arc with the center R. The arcs are intersecting. This I take this measure or lengths are for your clarification. When you take the length, then you must take with the help of scale. This is a rough for your explanation or for your seeing. That is, here is the point Q. There is the point Q. And I take the scale, join the R and Q. Join R and Q. and also join P and Q. And also join P and Q. That is, this is 4 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter and this is 6 centimeter. Is it? Yes. Which is required quadrilateral. This is our required quadrilateral. That is, first we draw the diagonal and we make the triangles on two sides. Okay. That is, we here get P2 is 4 centimeter. Also here is P2 is 4 centimeter and RQ is or QR is 6 centimeter is correct. Yes. And R is equal to 5 centimeter. That is correct. And PS equal to 5.5 and PR is diagonal 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. Is it? Yes. That is our required quadrilateral. This way we draw the quadrilateral, which you can draw any type of quadrilateral with which is our required quadrilateral. You can draw any type of quadrilateral like with your measurements, and we are going to discuss our exercise. Think, discuss and write for your homework. That is simple. You can also draw the quadrilaterals of parallelograms, rectangles and rhombus. Any doubt, contact me. And next we are discussing our exercise 4.1 first question. Page number is 60. Page number is 60. So first question is what? Construct the following quadrilaterals. Construct the following quadrilaterals. First one is quadrilateral ABC. First question is ABC. That is AB equal to 4.5 centimeter, BC equal to 5.5 centimeter, CD equal to 4 centimeter, and AD equal to 6 centimeter, AD equal to 6 centimeter, AC equal to 7 centimeter. Is equal to 7 centimeter. These are the measurements. Can we start? That is, first we draw the rough figure. That is, measurements are AB 4.5, BC 5.5, CD, here is B, CD 4 centimeter, and AD is 6 centimeter, and AC is 7 centimeter. Is it? Yes, this is our required or rough figure or required quadrilateral. First we draw our diagonal, that is, we take on scale and draw a line with 7 centimeter. Draw a line with 7 centimeter. That is, here is A, here is B, here is B, here is B. Sorry, here is C. That is, this is diagonal. So we write 7 centimeter. And we take comb compass and 6 centimeter in compass. We draw an arc with the center of A. With the center of A. And next we draw a arc with 4 centimeter with the center C. Then we get a intersection. That is we call D. And join the points D, C and A, B. And denote the measurements 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter. And we take what 4.5 centimeter arc. We draw an arc with 4.5 centimeter with the center A in arc. Another part. That is, next we take what 5.5 with the center of C. Then we get an intersection, that is here B, and we join the lines A, B. And join the point CB or BC. That is, we denote the measurements 4.5. This is 5.5. This is required quadrant. This is the answer for exercise 4.1. 4.1 first question, first part. That is, first we draw the diagonal and we make two arcs. One arc is 6 centimeter and another arc is seen from 4 centimeter. Then we join the point A to A and C. Then we get upper part. And next we take 4.5 centimeter arc from A and 5.5 centimeter arc from C. Then we join the point to A and C. Then we get the whole quadrant. Is it clear? Is it clear? Can you follow me? Okay, good. And next is we are going to discuss what? Second, third, fourth are Fourier formula. Second, third, fourth are Fourier formula. Following like this, you get the quadrilateral. There are measurements. And next one is when two diagonals and three sides are given. Next section is when two diagonals and three sides are given, then we want to construct a quadrilateral. Okay. That is, here is a for example, we have construct a quadrilateral ABCD. That is, BC equal to 4.5 centimeter, AD equal to 5.5 centimeter, and CD equal to 5 centimeter, AC equal 5.5 centimeter. That is AC and AD are diagonals. That is 7 centimeter. That is, we draw a rough figure. We name A, B, C, D. As you like. Which point is you like, you can start with that side or that end. That edge. That is here. AB is no. BC is 4.5 centimeter and CD is 5 centimeter and AD is 5.5 centimeter and AC is 5.5 centimeter, 5.5 centimeter and AD is AC is 5.5 centimeter and BD here is, sorry, not AD, this is BD. This is BD. Diagonals are AC and BD. So BD is 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. Which way we draw this quadrant? Which way we draw this quadrant? That is, first draw a line with 5.5 centimeter. That is, first we draw a diagonal. I draw the AC, diagonal AC is drawing. And next is draw a arc. Draw a arc with the help of compass of 5 centimeter with the help of center C. Center C. And next is we draw what? We draw from A. Here is A is not, because there is AB is not given. First we draw a diagonal 5.5 centimeter. We denote AC. And next we draw which 5.5 distance from, 5 centimeter distance from C. Is it? Yes. That is, here we take off the center C and take a arc with 5 centimeter. We draw. Next we take 5.5 centimeter. 5.5 centimeter. That is, we take a arc. The arcs are intersecting. That point is D. That point is D. We denote that point as D. Then we join the points A, D. B, C, D, C. That is, here is AD is 5.5 and CD is 5 cm. And make an arc. That is, AD is 5.5 and CD is 5 cm. Is it? Yes. Next, we take 7 cm on compass and make an arc center D. That is, here is and next we take what? Next we take, here is 7 cm and next we take the 4.5 cm arc from C. That is, we get an intersection. We get an intersection, that is point B. That is point B and we join the points. We join the points C to B and A to B. And here we join the D and B. D and B. That is, this is our 7 centimeter line. One thing, one important thing, this is not a shape of that motor. Here I take not these measurement aids. I draw pictures in large size. So these are not 5.5 centimeter. This is not correct. The length is not correct. When you draw, you must take the correct length in your scale with the help of scale. So careful, don't draw like this. These are not the correct figure for that example. Okay. Can we start our exercise? Here is also discuss. Think, discuss and write. That is also for your homework. And next, can we start our exercise 4.2? That is, first one is exercise 4.2. That is, first question is construct the following quadrant. First one, lift. First question, first lift. That is, Li equal to 4 centimeter. Li equal to 4 centimeter. If equal to 3 centimeter. TL equal to 2.5 centimeter and LF equal to 4.5 centimeter and IT equal to 4 centimeter. We want to draw the quadrant left, that is Li, IF, TL, LF and IT. Is it? First, what we do? First, we draw the rough figure. That is L, I, F, T. That is Li is 4 centimeter and IF is 3 centimeter and TL is 2.5 centimeter. And LF, this diagonal. LF means diagonal, that is 4.5 centimeter and IT equal to 4 centimeter. IT equal to 4 centimeter. IT equal to 4 centimeter. We want to draw. Then what is the procedure? First procedure, we draw a diagonal, any diagonal. If you like to draw the diagonal LF, you can draw, or you can draw IT as you like. Here I take IT. Trial length IT is 4 centimeter, so I draw 4 centimeter long. 4 centimeter long. Is it? Yes. And next is we draw a arc. We draw a arc with length 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter downward. That is, here is T, center T. This is I. And next I draw a 4 centimeter arc with the center I. And next is there is a coinciding or intersection, then we take the point L, that is here is we take join the points GL and IL. GL and IL, that is the point. This is 4 centimeter and this is 2.5 centimeter. Is it? Yes. That is here is 2.5. Here is 5 centimeter. Is it? Yes. Sorry, 4 centimeter. This point is denoted as I. This is L. This point is L, and this is T, and this is I, L, T. And next we draw an arc with length 4.5. Is it 4.5 from the center of L and also draw an arc with 3 centimeter with the center I. That is here is the arc is drawn by intersect. So we also add or we extending the arc, then here is the intersection, that is F. That is the point F. That is we draw the line TF and IF. Then we draw a line also LF. That is which is the required chord line. That is LF. We want to draw the lift, quadrantal lift. Li equal to 4 centimeter, and we denote the points. This is 3 centimeter. This is 4.5 centimeter. LF equal to Li equal to 4 centimeter here, and IF equal to 3 centimeter, and TL equal to NT equal to 2.5 centimeter, and LF is 4.5 centimeter, and TI equal to 4 centimeter. LF and TI are diagonals of this quadrangle. LF and TI are diagonals of this quadrangle. This is our first question 4.2. And second question is we want to also construct a gold quadrangle. That is, there is some measurements. Second one is gold. That is oil is equal to 7.5 centimeter. GL equal to 6 centimeter. GD equal to 6 centimeter. LD equal to 5 centimeter. OD equal to 10 centimeter. Is it? Yes. And this here is also 5 measurements, 3 sides and 2 diagonals. First we draw the rough figure. G O L D. Is it? Yes. Here is oil is what? 7.5. 7.5. GL is what? GL is a diagonal that is 6 centimeter. And next is GD. GD is what? 6 centimeter. And next is LD. LD is here with side 5 centimeter. And next is OD. That is OD means also next diagonal, that is 10 centimeter. That is 10 centimeter. First, you can draw any one diagonal. As you like to draw OD diagonal or GL diagonal, you can draw. Here I draw the diagonal GL. That is GL 6 centimeter. We denote the name G and here is L. And next is we draw a arc with the center G. Distance is 6 centimeter. That is with the help of compass. That is G is our center and we take in compass 6 centimeter and draw a arc. And next in the position of L is the considering as center and we draw a 5 centimeter arc. Then the arcs are intersecting. That is, we get a point. That point is B. That point is B. We join D and G. D and G. And also we join L and D. And denote the measurement length. That is, this is 5 centimeter and this is 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. And next we take 10 centimeters on our compass. That is, then we consider D as center. We draw a arc. And next we consider what? L as center, and next we draw a 7.5 centimeter arc. 7.5 centimeter arc. That is L is our center. Then we draw the arc. That is, here is the intersection. That point is what? Then we join these points L and O. We get, and also join G and O. Then we get a quadrilateral. That is D O. OD is 10 centimeter. We draw the OD also. These are two diagonals. These are two diagonals. Easy. And third one is for your common. And today, what we discuss the practical geometry. That is, practical geometry means we are studying when we draw a quadrilateral. That is, in quadrilateral we also know that 4 sides and 2 diagonals. First we studied what? First we studied 4 sides length and 1 diagonal. First we draw. Is it? Yes. And which way we draw? That is, first we draw the diagonal and we make 2 triangles on both sides. Then we get the quadrilateral. Is it? Yes. That is, there are 4 sides measurement and 1 diagonal measurement. When we draw a figure, you must draw the rough figure in your notebook in right side, and or we pre-plan before drawing quadrilateral, then you just sketch a rough figure on right side. with odd length or odd measurement. Then start the original figure or accurate figure. Next, we study one drawing quadrilateral with two diagonal measurement and three sides. That is, diagonal quadrilateral have four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it? And two diagonals also. Second portion is we studied the drawing of three sides length or measurement and two diagonals. Three sides, 1, 2, 3. We have only three lengths, sides of length given, and two diagonal lengths are given. That is, here also we draw a sketch or sketch a rough figure first time, and we denote the measurements. That is, from here is what? That is, we sketch a rough figure, and here is only three sides length and two diagonal length. That is, for a rough, here is the length. That is measurements. That is, these are two diagonals. That is A, B, C. D is a quadrilateral. Then A, B, B, C, C, D given, and A, C and B, D are given. Then we can draw a quadrilateral. Is it? Yes. Which way we draw? First, we draw a diagram. Any diagram, as you like. If you like to draw the diagonal AC, okay, no problem. If you like to draw first in BD diagonal, that is also right, no problem. Here we draw first a diagonal AC. Here I take AC diagonal, and here is two distances are different. Is it? Yes. Two sides are known. So we take the measurement. Or here is also two sides are known. Depending to AC. Depending to AC, AB and BC are known, and depending to AC, AD is unknown. So we take AB line and marking a arc. And also BC taking line and it also marking arc, which is considering as C as center. Then we join the points. Then we get P. And we denote the length or centimeter measurement. Next, we draw a diagonal. That is, BD is also a diagonal. That is, BD is also known. So we take this length and make a arc. And next, C is also non-present. So we mark a arc. Then we can join this. This is the method of drawing a quadrilateral with three sides and two diagonals measurement. Today I conclude my class. Please write your homework in your notebook and send it to me. Any doubt, contact me. One important thing, one more time I repeating, please complete your notebook, maths notes immediately, and I wish you good day. Thank you.